Installing your new Lorex by FLIR security camera is quite easy. Today we are installing LBV2711B, which is a 1080p HD weatherproof night vision camera with a 150-foot range. It is a solid unibody aluminum camera with a small form factor, allowing it to be installed indoors or outdoors. Features an articulating head, foam backing to protect against weather, and a slit in the mounting plate to guide the cable. There's also an adjustable visor to minimize sun flares off the lens. It is important to locate your camera in an area of your residence that you feel requires security monitoring, such as high traffic areas. This could include a front door, or a back entranceway, or perhaps a stairway or hallway that are transitional areas. For interior installation, you can install the camera on the ceiling or on a wall. Here we have decided to install on the wall, directly over a doorway and beside a bulkhead. Take the camera and mark the location of the mounting holes with a pencil or awl. Drill the holes for the hollow wall anchors and insert the anchors. Carefully secure the camera with the supplied screws. Adjust the direction that the camera is pointing. It is important to take into consideration the cabling path. There are a number of options for hollow walls. You can run on the surface of walls or ceilings. The supplied cable can be run along the wall or in the corner and then run horizontally along door frames. The cable can travel vertically along the door trim. There are a number of aftermarket products which can house the cable and help minimize visibility of the cabling. Another option is to run the cabling through the walls or ceiling and use a fish tape to pull the cabling through the attic or down along joists in the basement. In a hollow wall installation, you can also clean up the cabling by drilling a hole into the drywall and push the connected ends into the hollow cavity. All connections are housed inside the wall or ceiling. You can run the remaining cable on the wall surface as before. The supplied Siamese cable is split into two ends, one for power and the BNC for video. To help you connect the BNCs, align the pin on one BNC connector to the slot on the other BNC connector. Push together and twist. Exterior installation is also quite simple. Here we are installing the camera on the soffit of the residence. The cable can be run along the outer aluminum edging, hidden from sight, as well as protected from the elements. Make sure there is sufficient backing or support so you can mount the camera with the screws provided. If the soffit is completely hollow and won't support any weight, you may consider installing along the fascia, which usually has a wood core even if covered with aluminum siding. The wood will take the screws to support the camera. The cables can be run along the aluminum edging by lifting it up slightly and gently inserting the cable. The Lorex by FLIR LBV2711B camera is easy to install and will provide years of quality and reliable service for your security needs.